Hello everyone, welcome to the another video edition of College Deco. In this video, I am going to explain about TNAU counseling process, Tamil Nadu Agricultural University online counseling process. This is Shakunt Kumar from College Deco. After the announcement of TNAU rank list, the official counseling process will start, and the counseling process is online, be it payment of counseling fee or seat allotment or modification of choices. Everything will be done in online mode. So after the announcement of rank list, the candidates who are included in the rank list are eligible for the counseling, and these candidates will have to pay the counseling fee. The counseling fee for SC, SCA and ST categories is rupees 1000, and the counseling fee for general category is rupees 2000. The counseling fee is non-refundable, and only those candidates who pay the counseling fee are eligible for the seat allotment process. So after paying the counseling fee, the candidates can modify the choices. So the candidates who have already registered for TNAU counseling can log in through the official website, and they can modify the choices. So modifying the choices will be a one-time opportunity, and the candidates will not have any second chance once the choices are saved and logged. So after locking the choices based on the ranks and cutoffs, the seat allotment will be made. So the seat allotment, the candidates will receive an SMS as soon as the seat is allocated and the candidates can also check the same through the official website TNAU online on the scheduled dates. So after the seat allotment, the next process is admission fee payment. Candidates who have been allocated seat in various colleges will have to pay a fee of rupees 20,000 digitally by using credit card or debit card or internet banking. So after paying the admission fee, the candidates can download the seat allotment letter. So the next stage in counseling is certificate verification. So the candidates will have to carry all the documents along with seat allotment letter for the certificate verification. The detailed schedule will be available in the link available under this video. So after the certificate verification, finally it's reporting. So the candidates who have paid the fee, who have successfully verified their certificates, can finally report to the respective college on the scheduled dates. The detailed schedule of TNAU counseling along with choice filling dates, admission fee payment and seat allotment you can check in the link available under this video. Stay tuned to College Deco for more updates on TNAU counseling. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.